Hi everyone, it's Danni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning for January the 8th through to January the 14th, and I'm using this gorgeous kit from Ellie Belle Prints. This is her Flamingo Summer kit. And I'm planning in my No. 4 Foxy Fix, so I'm just showing you what I've got on here. I've got a little bow from Lemon Tree Prints, a messy Barn & Creations felt flower. So this is not fully set up yet, but I've just put a couple of things in the pockets. So I've got my name clip and my fox clip from Pretty and Peach Design, a couple of journal cards from the Reject Shop. This personalised dashboard is from Tender Designs. Then I'm using two of my own shaker cards as bookmarks here, and I've just got some little poms from Lemon Tree Prints on there. And my shop is Little Violet Shop, that's linked in the description box. All these shops will be linked in the description box. And then the felt flower is from Lemon Tree Prints as well, and the sparkly bow is from the GP Studio. So I'm just going to pop my insert out there. There's a view of my last week finished, and this is my second week planning in these inserts. Really enjoying the more compact, condensed, portable version. I'm just popping down a full box there and a little strip of plain washi to back my Planet Beautiful monthly script stickers, and I really like how these look in these inserts, and I'm liking the bigger font. Okay, now I'm just taking my bottom washi and I'm measuring it and cutting it to size to fit across the bottom of my columns, and it pretty much just needs cutting in half here. So it's super easy, you can just do that with scissors. I just like using a craft knife. Now I'm using date covers from one of That Planner Girl's mini Monday releases. I think she only did a couple of these, but I really like these pink and yellow ombre ones, and these suit this kit perfectly. So I'm just moving those up slightly so they're leaving a little bit of white space. Now I'm putting in a habit tracker. This kit didn't come with any, so I'm using this one off an old Planner Envy Go kit. I'm putting a strip of washi to back a Little Things header. Now what I really needed was 4 habit trackers this week, so instead of doing that I've gone with 1 habit tracker and a weekly box, and I'm just going to put 3 columns of ticks down the weekly box. So you'll see that on my finished spread, which will be on my Instagram, so definitely check my Instagram for this completely filled out finished spread. Just filling in the spare space at the bottom there with that extra bit of bottom washi, and I cut it too short, too narrow, so it looks a little silly, but not too bad. Not enough for me to bother fixing it up. Yeah, on to week by week. Monday I'm putting down a today header and a quarter box. I really like these quarter boxes, they're all stitched, the plain ones. Then I'm putting down a stethoscope from Pretty Posh Planning. This is to mark my son. We had to take our son to the Burns Clinic. Then I'm putting in a little flag and a shopping cart from the kit, just to mark groceries. I'm not going to bother writing anything there because I know that's groceries. Then I'm putting in a half box and a little burger from Ellie Belle Prints. They're so cute, those little fast food icons. We actually went to a restaurant for lunch, but I had a burger, so I thought it was perfect. And I'm putting in this beautiful flamingo full box. And I want a little checklist, but nothing too big, so I'm going to take this little to-do header and I'm just going to take one of the checklists and I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to cut off the top and the bottom heart. Fit in there just nicely. On to Tuesday, I'm putting in a to-do header and a full checklist, because I had quite a few things to do this day. Then another strip of washi to back my today header. I'm going to put in a few boxes. I'm going to put in a half box, a quarter box. In that top half box I'm putting a little gift icon. That's just marked to reopening my Etsy shop. I couldn't find anything else really that made sense for that, so that was pretty cute. And the porta box is just a mark that I had to clean my aircon unit. It's really boring. On to Wednesday, I'm putting in that beautiful parrot full box, to-do header, and a full checklist for all the things I had to do. So I'm just putting down a couple of these thinner pieces of washi to back my header, and I put my header in, a today header and a quarter box. So that obviously got cut out, I do apologise. So just putting in the rest of my date covers there, and then the rest of my bottom washi. Then I'm taking this last little bit of bottom washi and just cutting it to size for a little background for my header on Thursday. So now I've realised I forgot to put taking out the bins in, so I'm just using a little thing and a little trash icon from the kit. Back to Thursday. Quarter box for groceries, a half box for my sister-in-law's birthday, just a cute little shopping bag icon and another gift icon from the kit. And a quarter box for breaking on Etsy orders, and I'm just using the envelope with the love hearts coming out of it, which I think is really cute. It works for quite a few things. And then just filling in that space with a full box. Friday, I love this full box with a coconut on it, so I'm putting that down at the top, and then I'm taking this manicure box from Pretty Sticker Co. and this cute little kawaii nail polish bottle from Peace of Mind Design. Then a quarter box to mark that I had to pop into the post office to drop off some orders, and I'm using another little Happy Mail icon. Putting in a to-do list. Okay, for the weekend I'm going to take this full box that I'm not that 100% in love with. It's fine, but just a little boring for me. I'm going to cut it in half and use it as a background for my weekend banner. It's very bold, I just thought it would have looked a bit strange on the white space because it is cut out. Next I'm putting in a to-do header and a to-do list. Then a little quarter box. Wanted to do a de-stash this day, so I'm just popping in a little Peace of Mind Design girl on her laptop. And that beautiful flamingo full box with the gold glitter accents. So pretty, that one. For Sunday, not too much going on. I just popped down a quarter box to mark that I had to do a bit of cleaning, not too much, and the little vacuum icon from the kit. And I'm popping in a little flag and the planner, mark my planning sesh. Then I'm going to put in a checklist box, but I don't want to cover up that parrot and the washi, so just bumping it up a little bit, and a to-do header. I'm just going to use a strip of washi to fill in the space. Then I've realised that that planner and flag are up far too high, so I moved those down to centre them a little better and then adjusted the quarter box as well. Then remembering to pop in my payday flag on Friday. And that's the finished spread. So I did add a few more things, so like I said, definitely check out my Instagram to see the completely finished and filled out spread. So I'm a bit behind on doing this voiceover, so that finished spread should be up on Instagram now. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!